Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to fix this issue where you have inverted colors, where you have this inky look on your screen. And of course, it may seem as if your screen is broken. And that's because blacks have become white, white have become black. And of course, it messes with the look. It gives you this inky look. Everything is inverted. And of course, this might be a mode that has been activated by mistake on your device. So this is an Alcatel tablet. So in case you have an Alcatel tablet or similar devices, go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll through. And of course, you're going to go to accessibility. In accessibility, next, you're going to go to the option that says, scroll through, you should be around here somewhere. You're going to look for the option that says color inversion, which is this option. Go ahead and turn it off. And once you do, the screen should be fixed. And as you can see here, icons look normal. And of course, every color is in its correct place. And of course, it's a result of the color inversion. And it's quite simple. Simply go ahead and look at here, accessibility, scroll down, color inversion or color inversion option. It may be turned on by mistake. As you see, once it's on, it gives you the inky look. All right, so we ended too earlier. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Until next time, bye.